Hello everyone, so Rivaj has launched its new facial range and it has everything in it. The first step we have vitamin C face wash. It removes dirt, oil and impurities for the skin and reduces appearances of fine lines and brightens skin tone. Second step is orange double action cleanser. It gives you deep cleansing and instant whitening effect, moisturizes dry skin and reduces inflammation. And in products की खुशबू बहुत मजे की है. Third step is Apricot brightening scrub. It exfoliates the skin, improves skin texture, reduces acne and also removes blackheads. Step 4 we have multivitamin massage cream, my favorite. It restores skin moisture, improves complexion, reduces inflammation, improves your skin elasticity. Step 5 is vitamin C skin polisher. It evens out skin tone, reduces hyperpigmentation and gives you instant brightening effect and also boosted collagen production. And in last we have step 6 is Oatmeal facial mask. It absorbs excess oil, soothes irritated skin and it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which reduces appearance of dark spot and blemishes.